Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Is your iPhone not ringing when someone calls you? Missing important calls because your iPhone stays silent even when the volume is up? Don't worry, in this guide, I will show you exactly how to fix the iPhone ringer not working issue step by step. First, look at the silent switch on the left side of your iPhone. If you see an orange line, your iPhone is in silent mode and it won't ring for calls or notifications. Flip the switch up to turn off silent mode. On newer iPhones such as iPhone 15, iPhone 16 or iPhone 17, you have the action button on the side. You can long press on the action button to switch between silent and ringer modes, or access the control center and tap on the silent button. Sometimes the ringer volume is just too low. To fix this, open the settings app and tap on sounds and haptics. Here, increase the ringer and alert slider. Also enable the change with buttons option so you can adjust it easily using the volume buttons. Focus modes can silence calls without you realizing it. To turn off focus modes on your device, simply access the control center and tap on the focus button. Check if do not disturb or any focus mode is turned on. Turn it off or allow calls from specific contacts by going into settings. If your iPhone is connected to Bluetooth headphones or your car, the ringtone may play there instead. Go to settings, tap on Bluetooth and turn Bluetooth off temporarily. Then test if your iPhone rings. The silence unknown callers prevents your iPhone from ringing whenever you receive a phone call. This setting can block calls from unknown numbers. You can turn this off by going to Settings, Apps. Here tap on Phone, then find the Silence Unknown Callers section and select Never. Turning it off will make all calls ring on your iPhone. A simple restart can fix software issues on your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and volume up or volume down buttons until you see the slide to power off screen. As soon as you see the screen, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and turn the device back on. If your iPhone still doesn't ring, your speaker might be the problem. Try playing music or a video. If there's no sound, clean the speaker grills or remove any cases blocking them. If nothing has worked so far, reset your iPhone settings. For this, open the Settings app, tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset, and finally tap on Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data but will reset system settings. If the problem is still there, make sure you're running the latest version of iOS on your device. Software bugs can cause ringer issues. To fix them, go to Settings, tap on General, and then tap on Software Update and install any available updates. That's it. These are the best ways to fix an iPhone that is not ringing. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and check out more iPhone fixes on the channel. Thanks for watching.